Ridiculous DIY and woodworking TikToks continue to explode with views. And Yin's guys keep sending me messages about building them, so we're back, we're doing more, let's go. Starting off with 3.2 million views from Back 40 Craftsman. We've got, I've been seeing these for years. It's kind of like a woodworking magic trick. You're not really building anything, but these are a ton of fun. I've never actually made one. So in the spirit of what we're doing here, let's make something awesome. I don't need to watch the rest of it. I think I know how it's done. So to do this, I got a 2x4, water's boiling, got this thing marked out. I'm gonna rip this sucker probably to like 2 inches so we can get a good look at it. I got an idea here, Tyler. Can't tell you though yet. To the saw. This thing's super f***ed up. So I think I already figured out a mistake. I should have checked to make sure I've got screws long enough, because that ain't a very good trick if the screw don't go the whole way through. There we go. That's not, that could work. This is a crazy.
Wow, crazy. You're crazy.
We're boiling, which I think means I can stick this sucker in. We'll just give that like 3, 4, 5 minutes. See how tender it gets. Supposedly it's boiled. I'm gonna go right to here, see if I can squish it. I might have to go get my like vice for this. It's squishing. Is it gonna break? It looks like it's breaking.
It did.
Okay. I think we're just going about it too small. More! Excuse me. Just take a little bath. Get a little bathy for you. There you go. A little hot tub. Let's see if I can squeeze this sucker down. Oh, it's going. It's going. The turbo vise. So now just like let it sit and dry. I have a better way. Let's go. Jank is shit. So the key here, I think, is just taking my time.
Never happened.
Ooh, just came through. It's so crooked. Oh boy. Oh, broke the top. Try again. Math's hard. All right, 10 minutes in the boil. So for this guy, we're going straight to these vices because I can get a lot better squeeze on it, I think. Tell you what, boiled pine doesn't smell terrible. Yeah, that'll work. I'll max out this clamp because I'm stupid. More squish.
Not looking too good there.
It can't be too strong right there. What do you mean it's not looking good? Get your negative ass out of here, Tyler. You should walk outside. I think that's as good as I'm gonna get. I'm gonna actually give this one a good half hour to dry. So, we are dry. Looks like it's staying put. A little better than the last one. This is just such a calamity. The one thing we need to do so we don't bust it open again like this, I'm gonna wiggle this around and try to give myself a little bit of a bigger hole. No. This was supposed to be easy. Let's give her a second go, huh? Clear. Damn it! Probably should have just stuck with the small one, but I like to suffer. Boil more water. All right, went on over to the metal shop. I snagged up my floor vise. I think part of my issue was vise problem. Now we're gonna try this. Even pressure, smush. Crazy to watch all the stuff come out of it. That is such a significantly better squish. Okay, it's past half, right? So like half should be about here. Should be able to get that in there. You're gonna find out. While that dries, let's check out another TikTok. So with 6.1 million views. Ooh, oh, 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 that is satisfying. If you've ever bought something from the home store, it's got all these finger joints in it. This is how they glue it, I guess. That is so satisfying. Clean it up. Oh, yes, do it again. Roller. No wonder it has 6 million views. I've already watched it like 5 times. That is awesome. I love that. Well worth the views. Did it stay squished? Yes, it's our best squish yet. Now maybe I can put a good hole in this sucker. This is taking way longer than it should. Way longer.
Oh, there she goes.
But it's not tracking to our new home. Please don't break, please don't break. We're so close.
It's through.
Oh my goodness, it went through! Supposedly, this is all that's left. Just let that sit there for a few minutes. Just like that. And science.
Science rules.
There's a nail captured in a board. Next, we've got 4.3 million views on a DIY hack. Yeah, not one of these. Why wouldn't you just use a Dremel? Tisk tisk. All right, let's give it a shot. So I found a dowel. And by dowel, I mean I ripped the handle off of something. Oh good, it's really poop quality shape. This stuff's so dumb. So dumb. Get as close to center as I possibly can. Okay, cut the top off. Because that's freaking smart. Then you want to take some double-sided tape. Ow. That's hot. Give her a roll ski there. That's a Russian roll. So I can keep it from sticking to anything. Then I can cut the perfect size square from that. Now for the mega bullshit. Stick it to the dowel. Excellent. Oh, it's perfectly on center. I just burned the shit out of myself on this chuck. No fingerprint left. Like, how am I supposed to get that straight? Let's find something stupid to sand. I mean, it's working. Just go buy it. They make those. Not worth the views. Next. Coming in, we got Andrew Docks Tatters. What do we got here, buddy? How fast can I assemble this? What are we assembling? We've got some ovals with some slots. Looks like it could be, I don't even know what this looks like. Ooh, I think it's a rocker. It is. Dude, this thing's badass. I think we should build one. Let's go. So I've got 2 sheets of plywood here I snagged up. These are cheaper plywood, they're not furniture grade. I'm gonna cheat on this sucker. I reached out to the dude, he sent me his plan, which will be available for you guys here soon, and I'm gonna link to his TikTok and website and all that good stuff here in the description. I'm gonna throw these on the CNC, cut out the parts, and see how awesome this thing actually is. Where's Jordan? Pray for me. Andrew, the creator of this stool, was nice enough to send me plans, but I already had drawn up what I've got here. So I'm slightly off. They're gonna need it touched up by hand a little bit, but they should be super close. And I'm kind of excited because I haven't done anything like this in a long time. Long time. Also, I got a question for some of you knuckleheads out there. When yins yell at me for not building or doing enough build videos, what is this? Like, am I not building something here? Let me know. Oh no, that glue didn't adhere. I'll have to do that after. Oh boy. Okay.
It came apart.
Thankfully, it didn't get tossed. None of them stayed together. Like, that could have been dangerous. My dumb ass pulled out the 3/4 inch nails. That's why they all fell apart, because they had barely any nails on them. I guess I could have just used screws, huh? I still have these on. So basically, because we guessed on the width, these aren't gonna slide together quite yet. So I'll bust out some calibres, show you guys this. Do this, what's that say? 146?
1474.
Okay, so 1474. Our thickness here is just slightly off. So I need to just relieve that on all of these. As long as I make sure I do them in the same orientation in each one, we should be fine. Moment of truth. Think. Easiest way to do this is gonna be 1, make a huge effing mess. 2, be awesome. Tight, maybe not. Darn, I'll loosen her up. Oh.
It's going.
Okay, I bet you a wubba mallet would get it in there. I think maybe I screwed that up. Hold on, little guy. Oh boy. This tends to be the biggest issue with these making it up as I go videos. No answer to this stuff. No rules. There we go. It has to be the deeper one though, huh? It's gotta be this one. Okay, let's do that. Okay, it's a thing. I gotta go in like perfect. There she goes. And I think for a bunch of guessing, it's heavy. That is a tiny little oval rocker. I'm giving this one a thumbs up because this thing's pretty awesome. Did I build it right? Absolutely not. But there's a plan down below. Thank you, Andrew, for letting me build this. And if you guys want to see me build more TikToks, I got a video right here.